Okay.
Okay, this is what we've done. Well, this is Rice Krispie. It ain't for gay people because it says rainbow. That's wrong. Anyway, that was good. It had candies on it. This is what we ate a lot of. They're banana Twinkies. They're very good. I got one here somewhere in this mess. Yes, here it is. I'm gonna eat my Twinkie. Sorry, it's not Twinkie. It's Twinkie.
Yeah.
We're hillbillies. Alright, you gonna watch me eat this thing?
Yeah.
Yep. It tastes better than the strawberry ones. And these are toasted chips ranch flavor. We done ate some of them. They are very good. Here's what the inside looks like. Have to tape it shut. Can you see it?
Yeah.
These are good.
We'll do my Easter stuff later.
Well, you alright? Well, what do you want to do?
We can.
These are Gardetto's little snacks. Well, we'll try to hurry. There's the mailman. Alright. Are you okay?
Yeah.
We can stop.
No.
Okay, these got brown toast and
What do they look like? Oh yeah.
brown toast, pretzels, and stick. You want to do this in a minute?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Y'all, we're gonna finish this video later. I might have to go. Bye.